Okay, so this is the mood tracker. And what you do is, now this is the main page, you just go into mood log. And right here we have add your mood. So it's typically toggled like that. So you can see add your mood. And this is like for the whole year. So when you have all this filled out, you will see all like little moods through the whole thing. I made it on the 12th, so today my mood was good, so I don't have those filled out. But you can always just fill them in for, looks. Okay, next relate your mood. So here we're just going to go right into January and we're going to type in 14. And we're just going to go ahead and name it January 14th. And that is it. Now, if you want to add a new mood, you can just say new and add a new mood. And then we can see it right there. Now, what we also want to do is next add our activity log. So I created the January 14th one. And we're going to start with subcategories. So as you can see here, here's your activities. And you can add new. And they have parent and they have sub activities. So to add new, a new sub activity, you toggle. So we're going to add one of the sub activities here. Let me see, let me just say I watch TV. So when I do that, parent is going to say lounge. Now, if you have a parent activity and you don't have a sub one, you can just add the parent here. So let's just say I put studied. I'll show you what I mean. We'll go into the entries. And then you can see I studied and I lounged. Watch TV. So lounged is the parent one of watch TV. And then you can even add a photo for today. That would be the other thing to do. So you could add a photo. I don't have any photos to add, but you can see the photos for this week. And what you would do is you would add a photo and kind of do like a little note or journal entry and then relate it to that day. So it would be related to the 14th. Now we're going to go back to entries. And it's really simple, but it's kind of neat. So you have your today log, and then you can see everything you logged for the week. And then you can see your photos and your little, what you have to say about your photos. And then we have the stats. So you go in here and you can see for each month the totals for each mood. And then you can see the complete total. And then you can even see how many days you logged your activities. Then you have the database and pages here. You can go right to the year mood, so you can just see this right there. And that's how you do it. I think it's pretty neat. I might move this menu and entries to the top just so that you can easily go to it. But yeah. So I hope you like it. It's a really simple template. Okay, once it's been filled out throughout most of the year, then you can really get to see how cool it is. And that's it. And if you have any suggestions for it, you can go ahead and leave a comment below. Thank you and have a great day.